Hey guys, how's it going?
Hello.
New video from Passive Passion Online Income. Today I've got one of my successful mentees from Dubai, Rolando Zapata. Alright, and in this video basically I'm going to be asking a few questions pertaining to his experience with the Kindle publishing business. How it all started, how has the experience been so far, and what special tips he would like to give for a first timer, a novice, or a beginner that's watching this video. Okay, so to begin with, John, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Great,
Hey,
great.
what's up, everyone?
Okay, John, now many of them know that you're my first successful mentee or student from Dubai that has actually nailed it, okay, with the Kindle publishing business. And especially in the Filipino community, you have been the biggest inspiration, for others also to start their own online businesses. So, what do you think has been the main reason for you to come out and start an online business, particularly self-publishing business?
Okay. To begin with, I would like to thank you for everything. Without you, I'm not going to start this kind of business, which is self-publishing business. I'm in this business for almost 6 months now, and so far I'm nailing about $1,500 to $2,000 averagely for 6 months. Well, basically, I'm having this kind of income because I follow all the methods that you have taught me, and that is the only way or the technique so that you'll become successful in this kind of business.
Very good. So guys, you heard it. It's all about following the methods. There is no way that you won't be able to make money if you follow the methods to the core. There's a lot of fire shows going in the background. There's a lot of music being played. We are at the downtown right now, downtown of Dubai, so you can see the spectacular view in the background. Anyways, coming back to the point. So there is no way that you won't be able to make money if you do not follow the methods. If you follow the methods, you will make money. Period. No one can change the facts. Okay? And guys like John, girls like Nelly, who's from France, Joseph Carrier from US, and quite a lot of them, who are actually crushing and killing it in the online self-publishing business. And many of them have already started taking the plunge and starting their own affiliate marketing businesses, their own video course businesses. So, I mean, there are a plethora of opportunities out there, guys. John, what do you think would be your advice, or what do you think is your opinion when it comes to hiring a business mentor, and why do you think it is important?
Okay. Anyone can have their own business. Anyone can start their online business. But you have to think first before diving in any type of business. You have to find a mentor for you to guide, to give you a right direction, so that you'll be in the right path to reach the goal or whatever goal that you're trying to reach in any type of business that you're going to dive in.
Don't you think it also helps or allows people to save their time and money?
That's correct. Instead of gathering any information from internet, from Google, from different people around them, you can go directly to one mentor where you can absorb everything, all types of information that you need.
Perfect. So guys, you heard it. Now you know what's the importance of a mentor. Now I'm not saying that all of you watching this video have to come to me. Okay, there would be someone else with whom you feel comfortable, okay, getting started with, or hiring that particular person as your mentor. But whoever that person is, all right, get started, okay, because it's just going to save your time, it's going to save your money, and those all the months, all the years that you're just going to keep wasting. So without any further ado, get started soon. Become the online entrepreneurs, because it's just one life, guys, just one life. Live it to the fullest and gain and attain that financial freedom. Any last words, John?
The earnings that I'm having right now, I can call it as an end process. That is an end process or an event. Before reaching that, there's a process that you have to go through from the start, before reaching on the goal that you're having right now. So in between, you need to find someone even from the start to guide you, or you have to idolize someone. Once you idolize someone, don't copy him, but you learn from him. So that is the best thing, to have a mentor in your life. Someone will guide you to the right path. That's it, everyone. Thank you very much.
Alright guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. More videos coming soon from Passive Passion Online Income. You guys take care. God bless you.